Hello and welcome to my quick quiz on transformations. You'll just need a pen and a piece of paper to write your answers down, and there are 11 questions, so let's get started. Question 1. Question 2. Question 3. Question 4. Question 5. Question 6. Question 7. Question 8. Question 9. Question 10. Question 11. That's the end of the questions. Let's move on to the answers. Question 1. This moves directly downwards. It doesn't move left or right. So it is a translation by the vector 0, -5. Question 2. This is a rotation. It has a centre of rotation at the point 1, 1. It goes around for 90 degrees in a clockwise direction. Question 3. This is a translation. It translates in a positive y and a positive x direction. So the vector is 2 in the x direction and 5 in the y direction. Question 4. This is a reflection. It's reflected in the mirror line at x equals -1. Question 5. This is a translation in the negative x direction and the negative y direction. This is a translation by the vector -4, -2. Question 6. This is a rotation. It's a rotation in the anti-clockwise direction for 90 degrees, and the centre of rotation is at the point 1, -2. Question 7. This is a reflection. It's a reflection in the mirror line at y equals 0. Question 8. This is an enlargement. As you can see, it takes 1 square across and 2 squares up to get to A on the object, and another square across and 2 squares up to get to the image. This is the same for B. It takes 2 squares along and 3 squares up to get to the object, and another 2 squares along and 3 squares up to get to the image. For C as well, 2 squares along, 1 square up, another 2 squares along, 1 square up. It's an enlargement with a centre of enlargement at -4, -4, and the scale factor is 2. Question 9. This is a reflection. It's a reflection in the mirror line at y equals x or x equals y. Question 10. It takes 3 along and 2 up to get to the object, but 1.5 along and 1 up to get to the image. For B, it's 4 along and 6 up to get to B, but it's 2 along and 3 up to get to B dash. 4 along and 2 up to get to C, and 2 along and 1 up to get to C dash. This is an enlargement with centre of enlargement at -4, -4, and the scale factor is 1/2. Question 11. If you notice, the image is behind the centre of enlargement. So it took 1 square and 1 up to get to the A on the object, but we're going in an opposite direction to get to the A dash, and we're going 2 along and 2 down to get to the A dash. Same with the B. It took 2 along and 3 up to get to B, but it took in the opposite direction 4 along and 6 down to get to the B dash. For C, it took 2 along and 1 up, and in the opposite direction, it took 4 along and 2 down to get to C dash. So it was in the opposite direction on the other side of the centre enlargement, so it's scale factor -2, with centre of enlargement at -2, -2. Well, I hope you enjoyed my quick quiz on transformations. Come again soon. Bye.